Baby, just want me spoil you. Get anything you like. Long as you alright, tell me alright. Me know your man, that's why me like you. To a woman that likes right. You know, see bumper, the proper size.
Okay, so we are back. I've been under the dryer for about an hour. Yes, so my hair is well dry. But what I'm gonna do right now, so I'm gonna show you guys how to attach the ponytail and how to make it look poppin'. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna keep this on, just, you know, I can keep my hair slick and nice. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna remove the clip them, obviously. Comb out my hair. You know, comb it out. And because this hair is out, I don't want it to be that dry. I'm just gonna take a little bit of some hair oil. It doesn't really matter what hair oil you use. I'm just gonna put it on there just so that my ends are moisturized and protected. As I said, it doesn't really matter what oil you use on the hair, and make sure it does not touch your sleek, whatever you want to call it. Just put it on your hair, and then just make sure that your hair end is moisturized, because your hair end will be hidden for a while and your hair ends get very dry, and it's easier to obviously get split ends because that's the only place you can get split ends. But yes, anyways guys, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna plait it, braid it, so whatever you want to call it. So just gonna do a 3-strand braid, and make sure it's very tight when you do it too, that the braid is tight, because this is what we're gonna attach the hair on the weave. My hair is plaited. I don't know why I'm here starting to talk fast, so as I said, I'm gonna get one of the small elastic bands and just tie the ends of your hair. Alright, voila! So you have your braid, nice and braided. So what you're gonna do now to protect your hair from the glue, as I said, you can decide whether you want to use glue or if you want to sew on the hair. If you want to sew on the hair, obviously you're just gonna sew the hair onto this braid. If your hair is too short, you can use that Kanekalon braiding hair and just attach it to your hair to give it a little bit of length. So what I'm gonna do right now, because I'm gluing it on, I'm gonna take one of the wrap strips and I'm gonna wrap it on my hair. Let me just start from down here, and I want to make sure that everything is covered, because I don't want the glue to go on my hair. And how I like to make sure that the end is tight and does not fall off, I like to take another elastic band to secure it, because I've had an incident where I did not do this step and the paper fell off with the ponytail. And you don't want that. Right, so make sure that it is covering your hair. And then for the hair end, alright, for the hair end, I'm just gonna use a little bit. I don't need to use a whole strip. Just put it in half. Nice, everything's wrapped up. I look like something from like a space show. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do now, I can either use spritz or you can use Got2b spray, any hairspray. I like to just spray this just to make sure it's firm, and it kind of adds a layer of protection, and it actually adds a little bit of stickiness so that the weave can stick nicely on to the ponytail. Nice. Okay, so now guys, you want to grab your hair. So I have 2 bundles of this 20-inch hair. This is not human hair. Well, I don't know what it is. I actually just went to my beauty supply store and I just got some cheap hair just because I know I'm gonna take this out very soon. But this is the Kima Master. It says, is this hair Remy or human? This is synthetic. It says top grade premium fiber, grade AAA, moist capture, but it can manage heat. So I'm just gonna be using this. So I got this 20 inches, 1B. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, got my hair, just gonna unravel the bundles. Yeah. So you can decide whether you wanna do it singly or if you wanna do double wefts. It's quicker to do it this way. It all just depends on how full you want your ponytail to look and how long you want your ponytail to be. But let's see. Right now I'm just examining how I'm gonna be putting this on. So I'm gonna be doing it singly to make sure that everything is covered. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of my glue, put it on the weft. Just make sure I got it on the weft. I'm just gonna be doing it a little bit at a time because I want to make sure everything is neat. Just blow on it. If you have a blow dryer, you can blow it a little bit to get it tacky. Gonna do, you're gonna start at the end. If you guys can see, starting at the end, I'm trying to look in the mirror and look at you guys as well, and just put it on. And wrap it, but be very careful that you don't let the glue touch the weave nor your hair. You guys have to be very careful when you guys are doing this. And all you're gonna do, you're gonna just be wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until you guys get to the base of the ponytail. Okay? So I will be right back. Flip over to here and make sure you're doing it very close to each other. At the end, it doesn't have to be like super close, but as you get to the top, you'll need to make sure that the tracks are close to each other so that it's a seamless blend and you don't see no like little spaces. The hair doesn't look weird. And so I got one bundle on. I'm just gonna blow dry it. Make sure everything is fucking sticky before I add on my second bundle. I hope you guys can hear me. You're gonna get the second bundle and do the exact same thing. Wrap the hair all around until you reach at the base. Yeah. Okay. So got that. Lord, everything on safari right now. Okay guys, so see, this is the ponytail. Obviously I need to comb it out a little bit. It's not done yet. Wait, don't leave guys, wait. It ain't done yet. So you just want to comb out it very gently. Very gently. Because it is still fragile. The glue is obviously still drying, so you want to be very gentle. And what you're going to do right now is you're going to flat iron it. Flat iron the whole thing, and then after that we're going to make the wrap that will go at the base to make the ponytail look cute. So I got my flat iron. It's synthetic hair, so I can't set it too high. I'm setting it at 280. Is that upside down? Well, it's going up. It's going high. It's my EP iron. But as I said, I'm just gonna flat iron it out. If you have human hair, you can put like a little bit of like BioSilk or Chi Silk Infusion. This ain't human, so I'm not gonna be doing none of that. So once the ponytail is straightened out, you're gonna grab a piece of hair from the back near the base because we're gonna do the wrap. You wanna make sure it's a sizable amount, not too big and not too small, and make sure it's coming just from the back. I spray it. I'm gonna use spritz. Spray it, comb it, so the spritz goes through it. I'm gonna start wrapping and comb it to make sure it's smooth and nice. Push back the hair and make sure you're paying attention to how you're wrapping it, and make sure you're doing it at the base, and make sure you're paying attention to all angles of your hair. Again, bad. Yeah, shower myself with spritz. Yes. Comb. Make sure all angles are looking neat. Examine, like use your mirror. Use all angles of your mirror to make sure everything is going well. Lift where you need to lift so your hair is not being tangled. That. Once your base is done, there's gonna be a little piece. What you're gonna do, you need to tuck it in the base of the ponytail. So you're gonna use a bobby pin and just stick it, and be very careful when you're sticking it in because you don't want to mess up the wrap and you don't want to hurt yourself. Oh, I nearly lost it. Put it in with the curly side at the bottom. Just try and slip it in very carefully. Take your time, as I said. It's not a race. You want your hair to come out really nice. We're talking salon quality. Okay. Sometimes it's very difficult. I'm just wrapping this one more time, trying to see if I can tuck the end under. So we got that base. So there's obviously some flyaways and stuff like that. So first what you're gonna do, you're gonna spritz. The ponytail's not done because we still have to comb out the ponytail. But for the flyaways, we're gonna spray some spritz. We're using a lot of spritz. And try and sleek it. You can also put some gel there as well, to kind of get it to be neat. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna look at the flyaways. You're gonna get your shears and you're gonna cut the flyaways. Don't be scared to do it. Just snip, but be very careful when you're doing it, that you're not taking off big chunks of hair. And if you need to add bobby pins around the base, be free to do that to make it neater. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna take my time and comb out the ponytail. Wrap in place. I had to add one more strand because I really wanted that height, but I really had to focus. That's why I had to stop filming for a bit. So now I'm just here removing the paper, doing it very gently. Blood. The paper is like twisted, so I'm just removing it very carefully. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm gonna just add some finishing spray, some Sebastian hairspray, just around the sides. Then some glistening spray. You can use oil sheen or you can use polish. Just like that. And this is the ponytail. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how to achieve this slick ponytail. I am obsessed. I love when my hair is in ponytail, but I especially love when it's sleek, when it has that salon quality. Yes, girl. I really love it, and I hope you guys could easily follow the video and achieve your own slick ponytail. But anyways, guys, Christmas is coming up. I am so excited for the holidays. You guys know that this is like my favorite time of the year. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, evening, night, morning, whenever time you're watching this video. And I hope you guys share this with your sister, your brother, your auntie, your mother, your father. Everybody share this video with them.